Rainforest Rhapsody, unveiling the secrets of the lush green world. Greetings, 6th graders! Get ready for an enchanting journey through the heart of the earth with Rainforest Rhapsody, where we explore the wonders of the magnificent rainforest biome. The rainforest, located near the equator, is a treasure trove of biodiversity filled with lush vegetation, unique wildlife, and a symphony of life. Let's dive into the layers of the rainforest, from the emergent layer where towering giants touch the sky to the understory, a bustling hub of activity, and finally the forest floor, where decomposers play a vital role in recycling nutrients. Meet the rainforest's lively inhabitants, the vibrant macaw, the elusive jaguar, and the tiny yet vibrant tree frog. Each species has a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Now, let's explore the mesmerizing plant life. Orchids, the delicate darlings of the rainforest, and the colossal Amazon water lily with its massive leaves are just a glimpse of the botanical wonders that flourish here. Rainforests thrive on rainfall. The constant showers provide the necessary moisture to create a perfect environment for life to flourish. Beyond its breathtaking beauty, the rainforest plays a crucial role in our planet's health. It acts as the Earth's lungs, producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. So, 6th graders, whether it's the towering trees, the diverse wildlife, or the lush plant life, the rainforest biome is a captivating world waiting to be explored. Stay curious and let the magic of the rainforest inspire your love for the incredible diversity of our planet.